Hi, I'm Tamiko from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install the Graco Turn2Me 3-in-1 car seat rear facing with the vehicle seatbelt. The Turn2Me 3-in-1 car seat rotates from rear facing for a face-to-face connection with baby to get them in and out of the car with ease. Before you install, you'll need to know how to use the turn feature. The turn levers are located underneath each armrest. You only need to use one to turn the seat. At the same time, squeeze the blue trigger and the gray lever and rotate the car seat. You'll hear a click, which means that the seat is secured in position. Make sure your tether strap is properly stored at one of the storage locations. There's one at the side and one at the back of the seat. Next, make sure your lower anchor attachment is properly stored in the storage position at the base. Rotate the car seat to the rear facing position. The arrow should point to the blue label to indicate rear facing. Next, recline the car seat to one of the 4 recline positions by using the actuator at the back of the seat. Place the car seat in the back seat of your vehicle. Slide the car seat until it touches the back of your vehicle seat, making sure that 80% of the car seat base is on the vehicle seat. Check the level indicator to make sure that it is within the blue range for rear facing. Also, make sure your vehicle is on level ground. Remove the infant body support. Open the door by pressing the gray button at the front of the seat. Open the SnugLock lock-off by using the gray lever. Route the vehicle seat belt through the rear-facing belt path marked in blue. Make sure the belt is flat and not twisted. Buckle the seat belt. Remove slack by pressing down on the center of the seat and pulling on the shoulder belt to push back into the retractor. Close the SnugLock lock-off. Close the door. And test for tightness by grabbing at the rear-facing belt path and moving the seat side to side and front to back. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch in either direction. If it does, open the door, open the SnugLock lock-off, remove more slack from your shoulder belt, close the SnugLock lock-off, and then close the door. Be sure to recheck your level indicator to make sure that it is still within range. Check for proper harness height. Straps should be at or just below the child's shoulders for rear-facing mode. Buckle the child in and attach the chest clip. Tighten the harness by pulling on the strap at the front of the car seat. Move the chest clip to armpit level. Do the pinch test. You should not be able to pinch any slack at the child's shoulders.